Ever felt lost trying to right-click on your Mac, wishing you could just access those handy context menus like you do on a Windows computer? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets to right-clicking on your Mac, unlocking a world of hidden options. First, the simplest method is using the Control key. Just press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While still holding Control, click with your mouse or trackpad. This will bring up the right-click menu. Now, for trackpad users, let's enable the secondary click feature. Go to the Apple menu and select System Preferences, then click on Trackpad. In the Trackpad Settings, make sure you're in the Point and Click tab. Look for the secondary click option. Click the drop-down menu next to secondary click. Here, you have several options. My personal favorite is click in bottom right corner. You can also choose click with two fingers. With this selected, simply tap the trackpad with two fingers to right-click. And that's it. You can now effortlessly right-click on your Mac using the Control key, the secondary click feature, or a two-finger tap. Now go forth and conquer those context menus. And let me know in the comments which right-click method is your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks.